Hey beauties, if you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, thank you very much. Today we have this beautiful copper wig that I darkened just a little bit. I'm going to show you how I styled it and installed it, but first I have to tell you about this hair. It's from Eva Hair and they have some bomb hair. It's super soft. As you can see, I can just run my fingers through it. It came pre-colored. It didn't come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit. But the hairline is bomb. The lace is melted, looking very transparent. I love this wig. I love this color. It's perfect for summer. This hair did not shed or tangle. Like, think about it. This hair been through a lot. It was a little bit of a brassy orangey color. It didn't come the copper color that I wanted, but it still looked nice. It just didn't work on my skin tone. If you're a little bit lighter, I think it may work, or darker. It just kind of washed me out, so I darkened it a little bit, and it's this nice auburn brown color. As you can see, it's more brown towards the top, and it still has that copper in the middle, so it looks so good. My favorite part about this hair is it doesn't shed or tangle. That's amazing. So, you know, you may get a strand here or there, but it's nothing like out of the ordinary. Like I said, the lace looks good. It's, I believe, 24 inches. And let's see, comes down to my belly button. I got my waist trainer on. You know, I'm trying to get snatched for the summer. Y'all better be trying to get snatched as well. I gotta discipline myself. Like, okay, you need to get your pre-baby pod. So I'm working on that. But in the meantime, I'm slaying with this Eva hair. I love it. Shipping's fast, super affordable, looks so good. So what I'm gonna do is get into this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how I install and all about this hair. So keep on watching. So here I have my wig. I stored it after I colored it. You always want to store your wigs so they don't get messed up or smelly or anything like that. And this color is so beautiful. So I got my wig on. This is my Eva wig. So pretty. I actually dyed this wig and made it a little bit darker because it was too light for my skin tone, I believe. So I will show a clip of that. But right now, we're gonna install this wig. We're using Got to Be Glued, the yellow bottle. And I think this is good because it helps not take out your edges. And you guys see, I burnt my forehead, oh my gosh, the other day doing a review. And I haven't did that in over a year. I'm like, what is going on? But my hot comb is just on its last leg. I really need another one. That's why it's just like twisting all over the place. But I'm gonna use it until it's completely broke. And you just want to get a good layer on there. I'm not going to do the edges yet. I'll always do 3 sections. You guys know if you're not new to my channel. And we're going to get this wig popping. So the hairline already looks so good even without laying it down, but to make it absolutely flawless, we have to take our scarf. You guys aren't new to this. Just put your scarf on, let it sit, do your makeup, run around the house, you know, do something. This is a pretty color for the summer. I really like it. So I'm gonna take some of this wax butter and we're gonna put it all towards the middle. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do the part yet. I keep messing with it, but I'm just gonna go with the flow. So I'm filling it like this. Now I'm just gonna do a little bit of baby hairs, not too much, and we're gonna straighten this hair. wig doesn't come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it off camera. I actually installed this wig with that orange color, how it originally comes, and it was so pretty. It just didn't look right on my skin tone. So I just made it a little bit darker, and I think this flatters me way more. So this wig's already looking good. All we have to do is just straighten it some more. This is how the hair looks completely dry, and it's still really straight. It's just the ends need to be straightened a little bit more. And this hair been colored, like, I don't know how many times, because it was already orange and I made it a little bit darker. So this wig is doing very well, I can say that. I'm just gonna take some argan oil of Morocco from OGX, my favorite. I'm just gonna spray it throughout the hair. I just got this, I ran out. So I had ordered online. It's crazy, I have to order everything online. I'm not going to the store. Why would I? I ain't messing with these folks, you know? So I'm not gonna take really small sections, but I'm going to section it all and straighten this hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, this hair is bomb. I want to thank Eva Hair for sending me this hair, and you guys for watching and always showing your support. I love you guys, and until my next video, peace.